It's Wednesday, July 19th. I'm buying some NVDA 475 puts here at 875. This is here on the 15-minute chart. This is a little bit of price action kind of read type of trade, not a typical trade, but I'll just see what happens. Bottom line is here on the daily chart, last week we kind of had a bit of a failure bar. But it didn't really follow through to the downside. And if anything, we kind of worked our way up for the last 3 days up to the kind of this, you can see here, the selling tail. And yesterday or Monday, we had the inside bar that went up and didn't reach its target. So when a stock doesn't reach its target on an actionable signal, it could be going the other way, but you never know for sure. So anyway, now I'm watching price action today. We kind of came down on the 15-minute chart, took out the pre-market lows. You should have had the red to green move here, which you kind of got. It went out, it took out the first bar high, but then it kind of failed, and then it went ahead and tried to take it out again and reach these bars, so it failed again, and we're getting the two down. So to me, it seems like we want to take out some liquidity down here. There's some gaps to fill in the bigger picture. There's all kinds of gaps here if it really wants to fail. On the other hand, I could still see it kind of just pausing here before it takes out these highs again. But given the overall exhaustion risk on the market, I'm just going to play this two down on the structure on the day that would kind of come down to the intraday lows. At that point, I could see if we're just taking out some liquidity and holding in this area and eventually working our way back up to those highs, or if maybe we get a deeper pullback. So I'm just going to take a chance here. At this point, as long as we kind of hold, if this was kind of the move to kind of take out the first bar high but couldn't follow through, then we shouldn't be getting back up to those highs again. And as long as, I just want to watch 15-minute structure at this point and just see whether we're holding in here and then start back up with a strong green bar, or do we continue lower as I'm kind of anticipating. Given the overall exhaustion risk in the market, and this is one of the vulnerable stocks being up so much over so much time, it could definitely have some sharp pullbacks along the way. So maybe this is the start of it, but we'll find out. So anyway, bought some puts here. Let's see if we get to those intraday lows as a start.